You're browsing online, looking for deep discounts, deals that sound too good to be true, and you stumble across MacyDeals.com, a site claiming to offer brand new electronics, fashion, home goods, and more at 70 to 90% off retail price. The prices look incredible, the countdown timers create urgency, and you think, this must be a steal. But a second later you ask, is this a legit store or just another bogus website preying on impulse shoppers in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test online stores, shopping platforms, and too good to be true deals so you don't end up wasting time, money, and hopes. Today I'm dissecting MacyDeals.com to find out whether it's real shopping or pure bullshit. I spent a week analyzing the website, checking domain records, browsing the catalog, trying to register, placing a sample order, testing payment processing, and contacting support. I compared the store's offers to official retail prices and other discount sites. Additionally, I checked user feedback on forums, complaint threads, and reviews to see if anyone got actual orders or was scammed. Between all this, browsing, testing, researching, I now have enough data to decide whether MacyDeals.com holds up or falls apart under scrutiny. MacyDeals.com promotes itself as the ultimate discount store, offering major brand items at 70 to 90% off MSRP, limited time offers with countdown timers, claim of brand new unused merchandise, worldwide shipping and cheap rates, easy checkout with major credit cards. But are these claims realistic? Do the prices reflect real discounts? Are products genuine? And can you actually get your purchases delivered? Or is this just a trap for hopeful bargain hunters? Step 1. Domain and transparency check. I found the domain was registered only 6 months ago and with private registration, meaning the owner's identity is hidden. The About page uses vague marketing language and no company address or official business registration information. That's a big red flag. Legitimate stores usually list contact details and business registration. Step 2. Unrealistic prices and catalog review. The catalog is full of brand name electronics, designer clothes, and luxury items with prices so low they're almost unbelievable. When I cross-checked several items with official retail prices, the discounts were mathematically unrealistic, often beyond 80% off. Also, many product descriptions appear copied from other sites or use outdated photos. Step 3. Payment and checkout process. I attempted a test checkout using a credit card. The payment gateway looked generic, with no recognized payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, or major banks that offer buyer protection. There were no security badges, and the SSL certificate expired, meaning connection wasn't secure. This alone is enough to distrust the site. Step 4. Customer support and contact info. The only contact option was a generic email form. After I submitted a message asking about shipping times, I received no reply, even after 48 hours. No phone number, no live chat, no social media presence. Absolute silence. Real stores usually at least confirm receipt. Step 5. Shipping and delivery claims. MacyDeals promised worldwide shipping in 7 to 10 days, but user reports online showed that orders either never arrive, get stuck in customs, or get canceled silently. One user said their order was shipped, but tracking number was invalid. Another user said they got a refund months later. That's not the behavior of a legit global store. Step 6. Community feedback and scam reports. I found multiple threads on Reddit and ScamWatch forums warning against MacyDeals.com. Users mention lost money, fake tracking numbers, broken promises. No verified buyer reviews, no unboxing photos, nothing that shows real people receiving real goods. This pattern matches many previously exposed scam shops. So, is MacyDeals.com real shopping or bullshit shopping? Pros, if you believe the marketing. Attractive website design, huge catalog full of brand name items, low prices listed on paper. Cons, in reality. Domain is new and anonymous, prices are unrealistically deep discounts, payment gateway is insecure and lacks buyer protection, zero response from customer support, shipping promises rarely fulfilled, high number of scam reports, and negative user experiences. Bottom line, MacyDeals.com is almost certainly not a legitimate online store. The combination of unrealistic discounts, missing business transparency, insecure payment processing, poor or non-existent support, and widespread user complaints all point towards a scam. If you want real bargains, stick to verified retailers. Don't gamble with a website like this. If this review opened your eyes before you click buy on suspicious deals, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Share in the comments, have you ever nearly bought from a site offering too good to be true discounts? Thanks for watching GigaBits, helping your shopping, money, and safety stay smart in 2026.